Prior to registering, the registration period must be open. For current term registration dates, please refer to the All College Calendar at southeast.edu/calendar. Planned and scheduled sections should be reviewed prior to registering. For further information on planning or reviewing sections, please refer to additional tutorials. To register for classes, navigate to the Student Planning homepage and select the Plan and Schedule option from the drop-down menu, or click the Plan Your Degree and Register for Classes tile. Once your schedule displays, verify the current term listed is the term for which you want to register, and if necessary, move between terms using the side arrows. You are ready to register if the registration period is currently open. You have paid any outstanding balances due from previous terms. All classes for the upcoming term are displaying on your schedule with a specific location and time selected. Any online courses are displaying at the bottom of the schedule. Please note, if you don't have any classes listed on your schedule for the upcoming term, refer back to additional tutorials on how to plan classes and pre-registration steps. If you want to register for a single section, locate the Register button under the specific class in the list of all classes listed on the left-hand side of the page. To attempt to register for all sections listed on your schedule at once, select the Register Now button in the upper right-hand corner of the schedule. If registration is successful, the class you are registering for will turn green on your schedule. If you click the Register Now button, all classes on the schedule should go green. If any class is still displaying as yellow or the class is not displayed on the schedule at all, registration has not been completed successfully.